Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. It's your girl Dora kitchen. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing so great. In today's video I'll be taking you through how to get this lovely and amazing fish fried rice, guys. A very delicious and it tastes so great. Stay tuned. Let's watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share for more. So guys, in here is all the recipe we'll be using for this delicious fish fried rice, guys. Here is our green pepper, our green beans, our sliced carrots, our titus fish, guys, that is mackerel fish, and in here is our sliced onions, our green onions, guys, our masala curry. I'm using a turmeric for this recipe, so stay tuned. Let's get started. So guys, here is our pot. We'll be going in with our washed fish, guys. So here goes in our season cube, guys, for this recipe. Our salt to taste. Our masala curry. Then we add in our water. It's our onions. This so after that you have to mix everything together. So after adding everything, we cover and boil our fish for like 5 to 7 minutes. Then we'll come back and check what we have. So guys, let's check our fish. You can see it's ready. I have to remove it. It's finished. Let's see what we have here, guys. So now it's time to fry our fish. So we have to fry our fish, guys, for some minutes. So guys, while we are frying the fish, let's get started with the cooking of the rice. Here is our turmeric. I told you guys that I'm using turmeric for the coloring of the food. You can use curry for the whole process, but I normally prefer using a turmeric for this procedure. You know, turmeric is very healthy, guys, so instead of packing full curry to put on my fried rice, I normally join turmeric for this. So I here adding my salt to taste. Then again our seasoning cube, guys, for this. So here comes my washed rice, my parboiled washed rice. Adding. You can go in with the procedure of adding a little oil on your pot, on your empty pot. Then you add in onions before you add your rice to fry it first. But I normally use this procedure. It's very okay, and my rice always come out so great. So after adding it, you have to mix it together. You mix this. So you can see the water in here is not enough, so we have to add in another water to cook our rice. So we'll be adding in our water, guys. So after that, we cover our pot, and here comes the the cooking of the rice, guys. So we have to cook it for like 15 minutes until the rice is ready before we proceed to the next step, guys. So if you are watching this video to this level, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and turn on your notification bell, guys, to get notified anytime we post a new video, guys. You will be the first person to get notification and subscribe and watch. So it's time to remove our fish, guys. It's well fried. So now it's time to fry our veggies, guys. Let's go in with our oil. I'll be using the oil we used to fry our fish for this recipe, so that we will get all the flavor of the fish. You can see our oil. I hope you guys are seeing it. I'm holding my phone with my hand, so bear with me. So we go in with our onions. I'm using the normal onions with the green onions, guys. Our green pepper. Our carrots, guys. You mix, make sure to mix. Then we go in with the remaining ingredients, our green beans, guys. You fry it for some minutes, guys. So you add in a little salt. The reason I'm adding a little salt is because we have already added salt while cooking our fish and while cooking our rice. So you have to be mindful of the salt you are adding while frying the veggies. It's not only when you have chicken that you can prepare fried rice. You can use fish for this recipe, and it will always come out so great and taste so delicious, guys. So guys, after frying it for some minutes, it's time to check our rice that we have been cooking for a while now. You can see what we got here. It come out so lovely, so great. The color is giving, guys, and the rice also come out one. That is the main thing. So guys, you can see what we have. Now it's time to add in the rice into our veggies. Yay! This is what we have to go through to make content for you guys. You can see that the rice come out so great because of that turmeric. You don't have to use 2 sachets of curry to get what you want. Have to make sure to remove everything. Remove every removable. So guys, we mix. So now it's time to combine everything together, guys. If you want, you can add in butter for this in this level, but I don't add butter on my own. I always do it like this. You can see my rice is okay. My rice come out one, so no need of adding the butter, but you can add on your own. So guys, this is what we got. This is what we have here. Our fried rice is ready, guys, to eat and to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more.